Good morning, Bulldogs. Happy Wednesday. It is March 24th. Thank you guys for working on your reading benchmark yesterday. I appreciate it. Today you have 3 assignments. Well, it's a warm-up and 2 assignments, so I'm going to get to those. You have, excuse me, one of the 2-question warm-ups like we did over at Anne Frank on Monday. This one's over at Ellen Ochoa, so we're going to click on that one first. Pull up the PDF that has the passage, and you can zoom in if you need to. There are 2 questions on this. This is editing and revising, so remember it says sentence 1 here and sentence 7, so you can go up to that. When Ellen Ochoa was in high school, she said that other students put her down because she liked science. Change students to students with an apostrophe S. Change high school to capital H and capital S. Delete the comma after school, or make no change. And these are typed in form for you. And then you have what change, if any, should be made in sentence 7. Sentence 7 is turn to teachers. They want you to succeed, and then you will, she said. A, change the comma to a period. B, change then to then. C, change she to she with a capital S. Or D, make no change. So those are written for or typed for you on the form. Just like that. So you'll put your answers in both of those, hit submit, and turn it in. That's the first part of your assignment. Then you have an editing and revising passage. It's a short one with only 6 questions. This one is about Paladero Canyon. Let me pull up there we go. All right, so you have this, all the sentences are numbered for you. There are 24 sentences. Remember, on the editing and revising, most of the time you can go straight to the sentence, but if you need to read the passage, go ahead and do so. Palo Duro Canyon. And then you're going to look what change, if any, should be made to sentence 1. What transition word should be inserted at the beginning of a sentence. Remember, that's making your sentences flow. What change should be made to sentence 8. Nick wants to add another detail to the 3rd paragraph. What sentence would best follow sentence 16? What change, if any, should be made to sentence 18? And which sentence in paragraph 4 does not belong? So you're going to kick out one of the sentences, or do all sentences belong? When you finish those 6 questions, hit submit and turn it in, and you have one more assignment. Let me pull Teams back up. I'm sorry, I accidentally clicked out of it. Your last assignment is writing an expository prompt. So right here. All right, I will show you the PDF, which is the sheet you get that looks like what it looks like on the STAR test. Okay, it tells you it's an expository, so you're telling me facts. Read the information in the box below. When we are young, we often imagine having the chance to meet someone we admire. Think about having the chance to meet anyone in the world. What person would you choose to meet? Write about the person you would want to meet and explain why you would choose that person. Be sure to clearly state your central idea, organize your writing, develop your writing in detail, choose your words carefully, and use correct spelling, capitalization, punctuation, grammar, and sentences. So this is going to be practice for the STAR test. Remember, it's easiest if you start with a web in your pre-writing. So make your circle when you decide who it is that you want to. It says any person that you want to meet. Up here it says anyone in the world. Excuse me. So I'd say to make use your imagination here. So when you make your circle, decide who you're going to. So if you wanted to meet George Washington, you would write his name here. Remember your 3 specific reasons and then reasons from that. And then you're going to go in and write your essay. Remember, you need an introduction, body paragraphs and a conclusion, so a beginning, a middle, and an end. And all I've done for your form for this one is just type it just like what you just saw. And you're going to type your answer in here. All right, this should be 3 to 5 paragraphs. When you finish, hit submit and turn it in, and those are your assignments for today. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.